Hey everyone, welcome to Solo Reeve YouTube channel today. We're diving into something that could change the way you interact with your Windows PC, the brand new Copilot. Is the Copilot key. It's designed to launch Microsoft's AI assistant, Copilot, with a simple press. Right now, it defaults to opening the Copilot app, but Microsoft is rolling out a feature that will let you customize this key to launch other applications. Let's take a closer look. Here's the specific model that comes with the Copilot key. The packaging feels premium, and the design is sleek. You can see the new key right here. It has a unique symbol that really stands out. Now, one of the coolest features of the Copilot key is the upcoming customization. In the latest beta version of Windows 11, users will be able to set the Copilot key to open any app that's MSIX packaged and signed, which ensures it meets security and privacy standards. This means you can launch your favorite productivity tools or games with a single press, making your workflow smoother. As of now, Microsoft hasn't clarified how they plan to evolve the Copilot experience in Windows. Will they allow the key to function like the Windows key for shortcuts? It remains to be seen, but with the customization options coming soon, the possibilities are exciting. In summary, the Copilot key is a significant leap for Windows users, bringing AI assistance closer to your fingertips. With the ability to customize it, you'll have more control over how you interact with your PC. What are your thoughts on this new feature? Will you be customizing your Copilot key? Let me know in the comments below.